Let's make Marry Me chicken. Split your chicken breast in half. Now season both sides with a little salt and a little pepper. Dredge your chicken breast in flour and fry the chicken breast on both sides in a hot pan with a little olive oil for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side. Remove the breast from the pan. Now add 4 tablespoons of butter to your pan with a half of a diced onion, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Saute for a few minutes. Now add 1 cup of heavy cream, 1/2 cup of chicken broth, 1/2 cup of diced roasted red peppers, 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Saute that for a few minutes. Now add a cup of shredded parmesan cheese. Stir that in well. Then add your chicken breast to the pan. Sprinkle a little basil over the top. Cover and let simmer for at least 30 minutes. Uncover and you're ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Take a look at my video for lemon butter chicken thighs.